Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EARS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green lines down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the chart made a very solid move. So the first thing I'm going to do is just delete these lines out. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's first try to keep this as clean as possible. Ideal level of support going forward. Maybe say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.25. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below $1.25, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, it would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above $1.25 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, shorter term seems to be right here around $1.65. If the price can get back up above $1.65, the next key overall level right up there, just shy of $2 at about $1.95. So, but $1.95, yes, that's a level of resistance. But before you even talk about doing battle with that one or anything like that, one hurdle at a time. And again, that first hurdle in the nearer term is going to be right around the $1.65 mark. Anyway, you look at it though, great move today. Not just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon these higher lows? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.